Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Oh, man. Holy shit. What the fuck? So, I'm gonna say skip 15 minutes. Man, I was literally talking 10 minutes and I got that I was not turn on the audio today. This was worse, bro. I actually turned on the first time I was like testing. So I went down like for 1 or 2 minutes. So I turned off it because of just for some privacy purpose. So hereafter, I'm going to test my video and audio, then gonna start this session. Okay. So guys, I'm too wasted more than 15 minutes, man. It's okay. Should I have to start from the beginning? Of course. Yeah. Okay. So I got not gonna give basic explanations like why this channel and you have to subscribe and if you are new trader. So we've been planning for a big uh, roadmap for the new traders. So subscribe. Okay. And here I might go little bit faster today. So here you can see we provided a signal. As you know, first week, sorry, new week, a new day, which is instantly profitable for 20 pips, and we are expecting to give more pips. Like I was targeting to give 50 or 100 pips per day. Let's see, will gradually increase by every week. Okay. So this is all what I was saying, and I given some brief explanation, but it was it's my mistake. I even checked the Twitch, but I didn't turn on my speaker and check the voice. What if I was finished the whole video? Totally waste of time, right? Okay, so short and sweet. Let's get into the topic again. Uh, Here you can see our topic. Sorry, topic was what a successful trader do every morning, because there is a saying, professional saying, which is you can't master a market if you can't master the morning routine. It doesn't mean morning routine having every day a coffee, having every day a journal, doesn't mean only that thing. But I'm gonna give a breakdown, a few points. Please grab that and do it by yourself, and you will know, definitely know the results. Okay. So if you were still having some any struggles or any kind of you find any lacking, but just post it on the chat so I could know or I could reply to you on the next video or in the same chat. Okay. So yeah, we started with the same, and Okay. So if you will wake up in the morning, let's take example of a tiger. If it wake up, it put some like warm-ups and it went for what we say like attack the other animals. I forgot that exact term to use. Okay, so it went for food, right? And what it exactly do? It gives some warm up and it went to the prey and it finds some place that it can attack the prey, doesn't miss. Okay, that's how the tradings also work. Like you have to find the exact setup and exact time, so it takes time, right? It takes time, so you have to wake up early in the morning and you have to set for the exact setups. Like you have to load every charge that you're going to look, not so many charts but few, like 2 to 3. Okay, and take a coffee. Personally, I take a coffee. So if you are a coffee lover, take coffee, that's caffeine, and please take the journals. Okay, what you did yesterday, and like personally, you can write, which is yeah, you have to write affirmations or any kind of, it depends on you. Affirmations. Why I used to tell this, so you could know that you were not missing, you were not crossing these rules. Okay, like I don't chase, first one, remember first one, I don't chase, I let the price come to me. So this example line was happened to me today. This is what I am explaining on the previous video, which is I missed this trade due to of tiredness. I was not wake up even if my alarm was on, off date. So this was the exact trade. This is was a trial stop, sorry, trial TP, take profit, and this was the full TP. Okay, so it's always around like here when I woke up and the time was gone. It's already on the move. So I leave this trade. So what I did, I waiting for this exact again another opportunity for my exact setup. Okay, so this is how it works. Don't chase big trades, expect the price has to come or another opportunity like this. So that was the first point. And I am patient enough to wait for the setup I deserve. Exactly, this suits for this too. So this setup is gonna come every week or couple of week once. So I have to wait for this setup. If I get this setup, it's almost gonna be profitable. Okay, so some may think or thought that why bro, you can explain those strategies, right? So I was have to explain those strategies before I giving some psychological and basics things that traders has to know, because I was planning to get some certification. Why certification? In India, we can't give financial advisors without any experiences or kind of certification. So if I done so, it is illegal. But I can give a strategy that I love with a disclaimer. But even so, if I go with that way, it will be more secure. But I know this rules and laws. So as that, if I not crossing, I will give all the information in psychological way or basic signals and basic setups and learnings. These all not included in that. So if I giving any courses or if I giving any charges, buying any charges from you, so this may leads to illegal because I'm not certified or some kind of uh, reputation, no reputations on me, like legally. Okay, so yeah, the topic was diverted actually. And another third point, today I protect capital first, profit second. Make sure capital first, profit second. So this ensures that you're gonna be protect your capital based on less risk and using SL for, like, it's must SL. Okay, so this makes sure that you are mentally prepared for today. These three lines, if you followed every day, um, you might be profitable today. Of course, you are in a profitable within a month. Okay, so it's like manifesting sniper entries with uh, vibes. What vibes? Morning vibes. How can you be get those morning vibes? You guys have any idea? Here, uh, they my timing that I uh, created was 6 to 7, because if I wake up in the 6 to 7, I even before 6 we would take this trade exactly. But it depends on your which session you're going to trade exactly, that exact setup which session is gonna come. So that depends on yours. Okay, so wake up early and no phones, like no phones means like no high dopamines, like scrolling reels in the early morning. No, just no. Okay, take a breathe or 5 minute meditation that gives you a calm mind even if you were stressed or depressed, if you were lost yesterday. Just take 5 minute meditation early morning. Okay, after you got fresh up. And so the I gonna give one tip in the morning. So these all the tips you have to remember if possible every day. So the market will wait, your mindset won't. Listen clearly, the market will wait for you, but your mindset is not waiting for you for the exact setup. Okay, so keep it in the mind. And yeah, forgot to tell, like some traders are there, they wake up anytime and they gonna come for the charts. Yeah, I'm here, bro. Yeah, here. Let's say if I, for example, if I were woke up at let's say 9 or 10, I came here. This was not exact setup, and I was trading this off setup trade even in the buy. Even if it goes, it's not a big issue. I'm still in the profit, right? But I'm not a trader. I'm not a professional, and uh, I'm not following any rules. I'm not following any psychology stuffs. So I'm just a gambler with some probabilities. So gamblers, anyway, one day they're gonna fail, bro. Anyway, they're gonna fail one day, because on that day the trade may gonna reverse. They put high risk. Everything gonna be gone in one day. So this is how most successful traders were failed, because they were traded consistently, but they lost full capital in a week or in a day, even in per hour. Okay, it's happened. So we're gonna discuss those guys clearly what they done mistake. And yeah, because of I'm saying mistakes of the traders, I'm I come to remember them. So If you guys were following only successful traders, uh, I was feeling sad for you guys because if you were following only successful traders, you don't know what are the struggles they made and what are the mistakes they made. They're gonna show you fancy cars and super lifestyles only. Okay, you have to go through the hardest peoples or in history, what they faced and what they realized and what they given lesson to the future kids like ours. Okay, so think that way. Research on the peoples who were lost. And if you know someone lost and you know that lesson, just give me in a chat so I could know those things too. Okay, and yeah, finally, um, we saw this session is not that much big. Actually, it's just a 20-minute session because I'm not recorded that first 15-minute part. Like no audio, it's not audible. Where after the 15 minute only I turn on the audio. That was my mistake. So I make sure it didn't happen next time. So morning routine is so simple. Hope you got it. I almost told everything that possible because it doesn't have so many stuffs like you have to back to so many things. No need. You have to be done on previous day night itself. Just wake up. What I told. Just listen those things. Coffee or something. What gives you vibe? Silent meditation or music or a walk, 5 minute walk. Do that. Sit for uh, correct time and look for the exact setup like a lion looking at the prey. Okay, so yeah, and anything that I missed out, yeah, that I got another one. Make sure you put somewhere or open the tab which is for news. Okay, you have to know what are the newses today and which time, and that exact time you have to put some kind of mark there is some news that gonna impact so much in the market or not, so you could avoid those kind of events, right? That's simple as that. So these all things if you have to do. Newses, as I told, use Forex Factory. Okay, just go 30, apply settings, and you can see here if you were like this currency, if you were trading, I don't know which currency is that exactly. So if you saw any USD with red, okay, I'm getting some call. It's okay. I'm almost gonna finish this one. If you saw here any red like this or orange, if you say there is kind of FOMC meetings or something personal, like personal means something. Wait a minute. So it's my parents are already calling me for dinner. Okay, I think I guess I have to finish soon. So yeah, this was okay. So we almost covered today's topic. Today's topic was not that much big. right? Yeah, it's fine. So you have to focus on that exact time. Like if it was 10:30, you have to be aware on that exact time. Make sure don't trade on that time. Okay. So yeah. So almost we covered what are the things that we have to do in the morning to get ready, set up to execute the trade without any problems or errors. Okay. So yeah, and as I told, you have looking for charts. If you loaded the charts, what are the things you're gonna do based on your strategy? You may marking the zones or a fair value gap if you were on exact like ICTC, sorry ICT or I'm not used ICT till now that much, but just know what's people's were doing, okay, and liquidities and stuffs, okay, and yeah. So, mm, so I was covered everything. It's time to end the session. Yeah, final point. And don't multitask if you are entering into the trade. Exact time or any setup. Don't multitask because I don't know why. It's emotional psychology. I tried it. I failed on that exact time. If you are good with it, it's your wish. You can go with that way, and don't like saw too many indicators or too many confirmations. Okay, too many indicators or too many confirmations, and still you're waiting for a perfect time to enter a trade. Bro, you already wasting time. You already lost the exact or perfect entry. Okay, yeah. Finally, our session. So cool. We'll finish this. Today's session was not that much hype or that much different. Simple as that, the routine you have to follow. And I was planning to open a social media page so I could get more audiences or to get gain more audiences, exactly, yeah, more subscribers, so I can reach so much people's there, right? Yeah. So take care, guys. Thanks for if you were watching this, and if you even if you're not interested in trading, share it to your friends who were interested, so they don't have to watch every day. But if they were willing exact topic that I was on that particular day, so they can use it. um, in future we will planning for live tradings too, but it takes time, not as soon as like this, like within a month it's not possible. We'll tell you, okay, so those days they can use, maybe they can use our signals or live tradings, they can learn so much, okay. Yeah, let's end this trade. Have a nice day, have a nice week. See you. Sorry, you can hear some sounds in my back. Yeah, see you. Bye. Peace.